Currently, I'm creating detailed drawings for planning permission and building regulation submission as a sole trader. Well, recently I was made redundant and working as a design engineer in the oil and gas industry, and predominantly using mechanical engineering for over about 40 years now. And when I looked for another career, because I didn't want to retire, I found that there was more opportunity to do contract work for construction in a sort of flexible environment. So ideally, I'd like to work from home in the future. Well, obviously being new to construction, I needed to understand about the built environment, but I also wanted to learn about a CAD system that I could use in the industry. I'd already used 2 and 3D CAD in the oil and gas industry, using software such as Creo, AutoCAD, Inventor and CATIA. So the opportunity to learn another CAD system would put me in good stead for a construction job. I thought it was very well organised, and I was pleased that there was a table at the start to give me an insight into the 8 weeks throughout the course. I found that the tutors who had real life experience in the industry was essential, and also I enjoyed the interaction with the class and doing the coursework. And I thought Plans Express was a perfect way for me to get into construction. Having obviously CAD experience helped myself, but the way the course was presented, it was very easy, I believe, to pick it up if you were a beginner. It was a big advantage really, because it obviously saved time and money learning from home. It gave me a familiarisation with the residential construction, building codes, regulation and the construction process. But more importantly, it gave me a tool, the Plans Express, to carry out CAD work, which is what I really wanted to do. Basically from the course, obviously I've gained experience in construction where I didn't have any knowledge previously. And also now I have a CAD skill, which I'm putting to use with a building architect that is located in the north of England, and currently working for them, doing about 20 to 25 hours a week on different projects. Well, a lot of the projects that I'm working on are directly linked to the projects that we worked throughout the course. So recently I've been working on single and double storey extensions, loft and garage conversions, although my real enjoyment was to actually do a design from scratch from a customer's wish list. Well, the course has obviously given me work, as recently I was made redundant, and it was HBXL which actually put me in touch with my current employer. Definitely, especially if you're new to CAD or you want to create or have a skill for a CAD software in construction. And also it tells you how to learn how to cost and plan projects. It was essential for myself because I needed a job. So I didn't mind, using my free time or my time during the day to learn a new skill that would put me instead for employment later in my life. I thought it was too young to retire. And as I said before, mechanical engineering, the design work that I was doing, it couldn't really be done from home. But I saw that there was opportunities in the job market to work remotely in construction. But I needed a CAD system that I could do in construction. The other ones that I was using weren't relevant. So I could spend as much time as I wanted because it would benefit me in the long run. So it made all sense to put all my time at the start. Currently, I've basically said, I tell everyone now that I've got the perfect job because I work remotely. I do the CAD work that I like, and I can work the hours that I like. So everything's the best, really. It made a lot of sense. I've been made redundant. Obviously, I was looking at what I was going to do in the future. I didn't have any income coming in, so it did make a lot of sense, and it was obviously very beneficial to not have to pay up at the beginning. No, I'd just like to thank HBXL and all the people that worked there and helped me through the course, and obviously got me the work that I have currently being employed at.